breakfast is on. No. Oh, we can put the eggs on after this and the tomato slices. Yummy, with some breadies on this.
And cheesies.
And some cheesies. Say hello.
Hello, cheesies. So, we're in Umdobi and we had a 40-litre water tank in Rusty and we've managed to finish it all. And the water here doesn't look too pleasant to use, so now we're going the fresh route.
That we are. Okay. This is how we do it in Africa. Catch it, catch it, catch the water! We got water! Okay. I think that's
1 litre. Oh, is there no more?
There's no more.
No, there is, yeah.
Where? Oh, okay, yes. Oh God. Okay, there we go. It's coming. Just hold it there. Don't waste it. This is precious. Precious stuff. Okay.
I used to be dry, and my towel used to be dry.
That tastes really good.
This is fresh rainwater.
This is how we do it. Just didn't step into anything fresh there.
No, probably not. So I just dug out 1 or 2 bugs, and now it's going to go into the
Pour it. Oh, don't do anything. Okay. Oh. Don't just pour. I've got it. Oh, come down with me. Come crazy.
Okay, come. Last bit. Now that's going to go into our 40-litre tank in Rusty, and then we've got a water purifier in there. So it all works out.
Hopefully purify the water.
Until the next round of rain.
Until it rains again. We are having lamb chops for dinner tonight. Yummy, yummy. And we're in the bush. Guys, look at this view. Just look at this. I'm gonna go up here. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Just love the trees in the background. Happy New Year, everyone. We are at Umdobi Bush Lodge and we are having a great time. Enjoy, everybody. There's a fire going and a lot of people here. Cheers, everyone. Happy New Year. Woo. Hello, everybody. Hi. Hello.
That's Michael. Ek was saam op skool, man, ek ken hom.
And this is how we, as South Africans, celebrate New Year's.
Woo. We're having New Year's Eve at Umdobi, and we have all these amazing people around us. Say hello, everyone. Hello.
I can't go laughing. You don't have no respect.
Say hello.
Hallo, we maak hier 'n dans, ja.
Say hello, Sharkies.
Dit gaan op Instagram. Funny face.
Funny face daar so.
Oh, I missed it.
We both do not know
Wat heb je nou gedaan?
I'll give you guys a bit of perspective. This is the size of the pool, so it's not an Olympic size pool, but it's really nice. You can come here, swim, chill down for the day, and just have a good time. There's bra areas here, so you can have yourself a nice bra, you can relax under the lounges, or just in the nice sun if you need to. With that, I want to say, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and our Facebook page. Thank you guys, and we shall talk to you again later. Keep posted for this the channel. We've got some exciting news coming up in about 2 months. However, we will be going away a bit earlier. We're looking at one of the game reserves. Something that actually Stacey mentioned at one of the reserves that we would like to go check out. So we will be going there. But in the meantime, keep strong. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we shall see you on the run. Bye. Okay.
Please drive to highlighted route.
Really do like sitting seatbelt.
Cheers, julle. Ons sal julle weer sien. Ja, who knows? Cheers, julle. Ag, huis toe gaan tyd, altyd sad. Bye. Nee, genoeg gedrink. I don't know. I need my drink out of there anyway. We got everything, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, baby.
They're really.
Yeah. Thank you.
Continue 300 meters to the end of the street, then turn left.